little more patience, little more time, little romance might have saved us that night. A little attention, a little less doubt. I never imagined watching you wandering out of my life. We both know it's not right. Watching, waiting, hoping, praying for love to come back into this life. Oh, here I am wondering, what does it take?